Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is for the month of October 2019. So first and foremost, let me get in and say that I wasn't really impressed by this box. A lot of times BoxyCharm just blows me away and I'm really happy. I do like some of the changes they have made where you get to pick one of your items. So obviously I was happy with that. I do like that they have add-ons. I did add some things onto my November box already. I will stay subscribed to see how it pans out. So let me jump in and get started. So first and foremost, we got the flyer. It says BoxyCharm, flip over for a bigger BoxyCharm. Introducing BoxyCharm 2.0. And in here, does it say what variation I got? I got variation number 24. So first I'm going to go ahead and start with the item I picked out. So I got to choose between the Iconic London Setting Spray and the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. After reading the reviews, I skipped on the Iconic London because I read that the spritzer gets clogged up, and I went with the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. I did add the Iconic London onto my November box for $12. I'll give it a try. So this is the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. I will say their marketing pictures were a little bit deceptive. I felt like it looked bigger in photos. This is definitely on the smaller side. So that is what it looks like. And you can use this as a primer, moisturizer, very multi-purpose product. I definitely like the texture of this. For it being a balm, I thought it would be like super thick and heavy on the screen. I worried that it would be like Vaseline-like because I do not like a lot of products that leave behind that heavy feel. Like the Sunday Riley Vitamin C CEO cream. Absolutely hate it. So far, really enjoying this. Speaking of Iconic London, we did get a lip gloss from Iconic London, and this is just too nude for me. This is a very unflattering shade of nude. I need something that has pinky undertones in it. The color of this one, let's see if we can get it to focus. It's focusing, but I can't read it. Let's see if I can read it. Lip Plumping Gloss, and it does not say a shade on this one. But like I said, this is too nude. I'm going to set this aside. I'm not even going to open it. This will be in a future giveaway for you guys. So another item that I just wasn't too keen on is we got this like cheap $7 lip liner. And it's in red. I have my BoxyCharm profile set to me liking nudes. Like, I can forgive them for the Iconic London gloss because it's nude. Just not the right shade of nude for me. This is red. This company came out with some gorgeous nudes that I've seen other people getting in their boxes. I got red. Don't know why I got red, but this isn't suitable for me. So once again, this will be going in a future giveaway. The two star products are these, I would say. I like the Glassy Skin Balm, but these are a little bit more exciting. This is the Dose of Colors. I was really hoping to get the Marvelous Mauves. I got the Baked Browns. I will show you guys what it looks like. I don't think I'm going to use it because I have so many neutral palettes. So I think I'm just going to set this aside once again for a giveaway for you guys. So that is what the palette looks like. Great neutrals, absolutely gorgeous. They are all mattes. I do like having a little diversity with shimmers and sheens and so forth. So like I said, I will set that aside for a future giveaway. And then this, I was really excited to get this in my box. I've really been into skincare lately. This is the Paula's Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. So I plan to use this with my Shiseido cotton pads as soon as I run out of my Elemis exfoliating pads. So I will definitely do an update as I get through my empties to let you guys know how I like this. So I would definitely venture to say my two star products that I'm keeping for myself are this and the Glassy Skin Balm. Everything else will be, like I said, in a future upcoming giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you felt you got a good box or if you were a little disappointed in your box. I'm definitely hoping that next month ends up being a lot better. Nonetheless, BoxyCharm is a great box for its value. It is increasing in value to $25, but I'm still willing to pay that as long as I get some standout products that I really enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.